Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star mystery box. Now, I got the $60 box. This is the Valentine's Day box. It is cut open. My husband cut it open when it got delivered. I don't know why. He was curious what was inside, I guess. I don't know. I wasn't home when it got delivered and yeah, that's about it. But this box was $60. It was the smallest of the boxes, so let's just jump right into it. If you're not already subscribed, definitely do so down below. I currently have a giveaway going on. It is a 200 subscriber giveaway. If you guys are interested in checking that out, I will have a link in the description box below. But let's jump right into it. Open it up. It looks like this. Let's pull this tissue paper back. And let's just pull the first thing I see. It is a Jeffree Star beanie. And it says Jeffree Star on it. And it's got little conversation hearts. And it's in a really pretty red shade. I'm not a big hat wearer. I think I have a weird shaped head. I don't know. Do I? I don't know. Hats don't really stay on my head, but let's try it on. I don't know. I'm not a big beanie wearer. I try to be. I used to be when I was younger. I used to wear a lot of beanies, but I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Let me know down below. Does it suit me? My head weirdly shaped. Is my hair, do I leave hair out? Let me know down below because I don't know these things. But this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. I love it. Like, I might wear it. I don't know. We'll see. I live in Texas. It doesn't really get terribly cold here, so. But let's jump into the next thing. I'm going to leave this on for the remainder of the video because why not? The next thing we have is a pop socket. Okay, this is the pop socket phone grip and stand. And it looks like this in a very pretty pink, and it's got the Jeffree Star logo on it. I have a pop socket on my phone. I have to have a metal one because my little, I have a little thingy in my car that holds my phone when I drive so I can see where I'm going and things. So I don't know if I will use this. I will probably throw this into a future giveaway, but that's really cool. If I didn't have to have a metal pop socket, I would definitely use that. Next, we have the gloss, and this is a gloss in the shade Succulent, which is looks really pretty. Like, this packaging is gorgeous. I think this might be a limited edition shade. I'm not sure. See, my problem is I probably need to safety pin this hat because I feel like with this, I have to, like, safety pin it because it falls off my head. And I'm a glasses wearer, so, like, it doesn't mesh well. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the gloss. And let's open this up. Ooh, okay. Like I said, it's in the shade Succulent. And I do have a few of his glosses already, but this one is in a gorgeous shade. Ooh, and it smells good. Okay. So it's like a light pink gloss with a purpley blue iridescent to it. I think that is gorgeous. Can you guys see the shift? That is really, really pretty, and I will definitely get use out of that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love his gloss formula. Not sticky at all, and it's very lightweight. It feels like you're wearing nothing on the lips. I feel like I look like a wannabe hipster. Ah! Okay. Ooh, and we have a big item all wrapped up, and it looks like this. Is this... Oh, are you serious? Like, is this... If this is what I think it is, then we're in for a treat. Let's try not to rip it. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is. This is the Alien palette. Now, I'm going to open this up just to make sure it's not broken, but I do have this eyeshadow palette, so this will go into a future giveaway for one of you guys. That is amazing. This is like a $50 eyeshadow palette in a $60 box. That is insane, and I love the packaging. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let's, hopefully none of this is broken. His stuff always comes nicely wrapped, so. Okay, all the shades are perfectly intact. I'm not going to do anything to it. I will grab mine so you can see what these look like. I just wanted to make sure these weren't broken, and they are not. So let's try to carefully put this away and wrap it all nice back up. Okay, I wrapped this all back up. It is all nicely wrapped in there. That'll go into a future giveaway. I actually have my palette like right here because I've been using it lately. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super, super cute. It is a little awkward to store, but it is gorgeous. And it's got like these 3D eyes, really, really cool. And then you open it up and it's got a teardrop mirror. And then these are the shades. As you can see, mine is Deeply Loved. I think this is a gorgeous palette. It's got a lot of greens in there that I don't have, but it's got some very unique shades. Like, let's swatch a few of my favorite shades, which are mainly shimmers because shimmers are amazing in my opinion. So the first shade I swatched was Probe, which is that shade right there. Very unique duochrome shade. And then we have UFO, which is a very pretty, like, standard gold. And then this one is Alien, which is a very pretty, like, lime green shimmer. And then we have Flying Saucer, which is a matte green. And last but not least, I have Martian Soil. So these are just like my 5 favorite shades in this palette. But as you can see, there's Abduction, a really pretty like neon green. And this shade right here called Phone Home is really pretty. There's a lot of wearable shades in here if you cover these neon greens, like in that purple. Like these are pretty wearable. And then you have some fun pops of color. This palette is gorgeous. I love his formula. This palette is being discontinued, if I'm not mistaken. I think he's discontinuing this one and the Thirsty palette, which, I mean, I'm not mad at getting it. Like, yes, please. That will go into a future giveaway for one of you guys just because I do have the palette. But that palette is like $52 or something like that in a $60 box. That is amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below. That is everything we got. I definitely think we got our money's worth for $60, and I will continue to purchase his mystery boxes. I think they're a good value, especially if you don't have any Jeffree Star items. It's a great way to build up your Jeffree Star collection. Y'all, this hat, I don't know. Let me know if I look not good in hats. I don't know. You guys, let me know. I don't know how to wear this. Give me tips, please. I'm not a hat wearer. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Saturdays, we do review videos. And follow me on all my social media down below as well. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.